Hey guys, so in this video, I'll be telling you how do you exactly know that at this point you need to buy a stock and at this point you need to sell a stock, right? For this, you need to use the strategy named as the RSI strategy, right? Remember, this is RSI strategy, not the stochastic RSI, which is completely different. Now, coming into this video, the first thing you need to understand that for the highest accuracy, you need to go in the 1 day's time frame over here, which I've selected, and then go into the indicators and select RSI, which stands for relative strength index, which I have already applied over here. Right now, the second thing you need to do over here is draw the price action levels, which is in this resistance zone it was facing, which is around HDFC Bank for this share, and the support levels were this and this level, which was acting as a minor support. Now you need to use this level according with the RSI strategy, right? For the short term gains as well, you can easily get around 30% returns easily. Now, how do you do that? Let me just zoom in and make you understand. First of all, you need to see that the price is near the support line for the trend line over here, and also the RSI was in the oversold zone, which is below 30 levels, right? So you need to buy at the support price, and also there was a trend line support for RSI in this way, if you can see, between this area to this area, right? So it went up till over here, which is around from a 750 rupees to around 1000 rupees, which is almost a return of 25% to 30% returns within a span from April to May, right? And as soon as the price has touched your resistance level of the price action and also you're breaking the RSI below, you need to sell it in this exact price, which is exactly over here, right? So this is how you need to buy it and also sell it if the price is breaking the RSI strategy also, and also the price action over here facing the resistance. And if you see for a longer term as well, you can see that it was facing a support over till here, right? As you can see that you had to buy it over here in this place, and again over here in this place, which RSI also took a support, and again with a minor support also RSI took a support, and see the profits from up till 1750 to around 1150, which is around 40% returns in a span of around April to around July over here, right? Which is very great returns. This is the way you need to use RSI strategy, and also sell it accordingly if it is in the overbought zone, which is above 70 levels, and also touching the resistance of your price action. This is all for the video, guys. I hope you understood. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon notification for regular market updates. Check out my playlist and other videos which is there on stock markets fundamental, technical analysis and indicators as well. Until next time, guys, happy investing and bye bye.